In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a Zoom recording into viral clips using OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. So once your Zoom meeting has completed, you will then download the video and go to OpusClip, select upload and upload the video. Once your video has finished processing, you will see it under all projects in the left corner. You then want to double click it to open it. OpusClip has now created a short for my Zoom meeting. You can see that the hook is not so good. It has good flow. The value and trend are not so bad with a B rating. If you want to make any edits or changes to your video, towards the right column, you will see Edit Clip. Simply select that. And then you can change the caption styles. You can trim and edit your video where needed, or change the layout. Once you have completed making any manual edits, you can then go to export and export your Zoom recording that is now a viral short. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.